Do you also feel flustered when it comes to IELTS speaking, especially the cue card section, because you just do not know how to start and how to end? You see, IELTS speaking is a semi formal conversation wherein your examiner is not someone who can talk to you but certainly can ask you any question, like gazing at the sky, which is too bright for me right now, or talking about how do you like to spend time with your family members. But when it comes to cue card, students often feel that it is a little difficult. It is majorly because nobody ever taught them how to communicate in the language. Because the cue card section is about giving you a topic, giving you the freedom to organize it whatever way you want to, and then put it forth, right? When it comes to this section, you have to ensure that you give a well-rounded answer. Giving a well-rounded answer means give a little bit of introduction, give your story, and conclude with a one-liner. That is a well-rounded answer. To take an example, let's say my examiner gave me describe a historical event you would like to know more about. I'd first talk about what is my opinion on and say what was my take or was my reaction during history period. I certainly was never a student who enjoyed history, majorly because one, it was so difficult for me to remember the dates and the names of people. Second, that it was all about bloodshed and wars and politics. None of it was my space. But I did enjoy reading stories and poems. So when I became a student of literature, I realized that history is just so much more interesting than I thought it was. I read about Shakespeare, who wrote a poem that was to be engraved on his epitaph because he was scared that people would just rip out his body and try to study why was he such a great playwright. So he wrote a poem, and in that poem, he blessed the people who let him rest in peace and cursed those who disturb his resting soul. I would like to know what happened to the man who finally not only dug out his body but also stole his skull. I'm not sure if it actually happened, but the idea is I gave a well rounded answer. You can say just anything. You can also say that I don't know if it happened. Your examiner, it will give them the food for more question, and that's what you want. Jumping from one topic to the other. Because your examiner is looking for how well do you communicate in the language. I've had students who scored 8 and 9 in speaking. They could only do it because they were comfortable while speaking. There was something they did right, and I can tell you exactly what they did. Join me if you want to know more about it. Bye.